What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and I'm back for another video. So the folks over at NTG sent me this case for review, and they also for the iPhone 12, and they also sent me one for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now I like this case a lot, but honestly I don't like the color, so I wish it would have been black or some other color. So I decided to go ahead and buy my own. I went ahead and bought this purple version right here because I obviously have this purple iPhone. So I thought it would be nice because I can actually interchange and take off the black portion and put it on this purple portion if I want to. So I bought this June 20th, and recording this video it is the 23rd, I believe. So yeah, it was $8 or something like that. Oh, it was $12. Well, it actually was on sale. It was on sale when I got it. It was $10 when I bought it. So but you can see all the different colors and stuff you can get there for the case. So these used to be on sale for $8.95, but the purple one was the only one that was $10.95. I believe that's what I paid. So, but it's not on sale anymore. It's just $1 more or whatever. So let's go ahead and get this open. And remember, case manufacturers take notes. I love the pull tab. And then it just slides right out. Oh, that purple is nice. That's a good match, man. That's a good match. This is a good match for my phone. But I think I'm probably going to take this purple lining out. I'm not sure yet. And yeah, their products just have good packaging. So again, here's the case itself. This is the one that they gave me for review, and this is the one I purchased. So yeah, I really wanted to match my iPhone a little bit better, and I think this purple actually does pretty good. But like I said, these are interchangeable cases. See how it comes off? So I can pop the black on there, and I'll probably do that in this video. But same great case, man. Just a nice rugged style case. It feels exactly like this one they sent me, obviously, for the same thing. It's just that it's purple. I just didn't want this orange on my purple. So first I'm going to try this on like this. And it's obviously, it's like a perfect match. If you have the purple iPhone and you want to get a tough case for your phone that's really affordable, this is like, I'll reference OtterBox. This is that kind of material. This is like an OtterBox Commuter or OtterBox Defender series toughness, if you will, just at a much lower price. Yeah, so when I saw this, I was like, man, I know my camera isn't really picking up how purple this is and how good it looks, but I might just roll with it like this. But for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the black innards because it comes right apart like that. And then I have the black and orange that they sent over, which I didn't like this orange. But look, check this out. you could do something like that. I mean, that's actually kind of fly though. It just the black with this orange on the purple just didn't look right. But this orange and purple looks kind of tight, man. That's kind of nice, man. That's crazy. That's two different cases right there. So let's put this on, and let's see how the black looks with the purple. Because if it doesn't look right, I'm just gonna rock the purple because the purple looks really good. But that's actually much better. Oh man, that's so much better. I get a complete black front, and then I got the black and purple on the sides. Yeah, that's crazy right there. This is what I'm talking about. And then this combination looks better together. So I actually now have a couple of different cases to rock on here if I wanted to. But yeah, I'm probably gonna rock it like this with the black and purple for now. Kind of like that. I think that's pretty. It gives it some flair and some pizzazz. It just gives it a fresh look. But I'll go ahead and put the purple back so you can see the original, the way it comes. Because some of you guys might not want to buy more than one of these cases just to do the combination. If you have the purple iPhone, this is the closest. This is almost an exact match. I've never seen a case match it so closely. This is good. This is a good thing. I'm glad I bought this, man. It was well worth the $12 or $10.95 that I paid, and I like that I can go ahead and interchange it with these other cases right here. The other case that they sent over to me, because the orange not happening. Maybe if my phone was black, then yeah, that'd be all right, or blue or something. I don't know, but this bright purple right here, I think I might just kick it like this. It's so nice. Yeah, it's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. The NTG cases, by the way, you know they're good if they sent me one for review, and then I bought one. You know, I mean, companies do that sometimes. I guess they send out the colors that probably don't sell too well because it is just a fitment review and things like that. But I use some of these cases that come out to me, man. So this one right here is an exact match for the purple iPhone. And again, folks, I know my camera isn't doing well with producing this footage. I need to change the settings to make it really show the purple in manual mode. I'm not gonna do all that though. I want to show you, man. I just, all I can tell you is that if you have the purple iPhone, this purple case from NTG is an exact match. I mean, look at, even though my camera isn't showing it like purple, that looks blue to me through the viewfinder. But hey, I'll see after I record, after I get the footage on the Mac. But yeah, this is it. This is my case. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.